The AR-15
450 Bushmaster.
450 Bushmaster. Okay, well that's a big old bullet.
Let me get your. Oh.
Hold your ears,
Hold your ears.
Cassidy.
Jeez!
Ow! The repercussion was unreal.
Oh, I want to see the bullet.
That thing's huge. Ow.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot. Pretty sweet.
Really?